Hey, what's up, folks? This is Jesse with Keeping It Real Finance, a channel that always has your back and tells it like it is. Today's video is going to be all about Orion protocol. So this is one that I've been hearing about for a while. I've seen the ticker symbol for the coin. I hadn't had a chance to dig into it until now, and I'm glad that I did because there is a lot going on with this project. So I'm going to be giving you a thorough review, as always, what's going on behind the project, where we think this project is headed, who the founder is, and then where we think it will end up at the end of the year for 2021. So solid all the way around. Should be an interesting review. You're not going to want to miss this one, as always. All right? So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you click the bell, you'll be made aware whenever I post time-sensitive content just like this. And now, let's get it going. Alright, so I'm going to kick this video off by first providing the long-winded version of the Orion protocol, followed up with the short version that makes a little more sense. So, the Orion protocol aggregates the liquidity of multiple crypto exchanges into a decentralized platform that provides a singular, non-custodial gateway into the entire digital asset market, otherwise known as the Orion terminal. So, essentially, instead of competing with existing exchanges, Orion simply combines them, therefore offering the best prices, the lowest fees, and access to assets across multiple centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. So it's basically an exchange of exchanges. It's combining them. Great idea, right? So the goal of Orion is to help users get the best returns out of their investments while also lowering the risks associated with using multiple exchanges. So for a little background, the Orion protocol was founded by Alexei Koloskov. He is the current CEO. And prior to the Orion protocol, he was a blockchain developer and chief architect at Waves, as well as a lead IT project manager at UniCredit Bank Russia. Now, the benefits of the Orion protocol include, number one, showcasing a single API that combines multiple order books and streamlines them for use, so that's a great thing. Number two, a portfolio management application that allows the user to monitor and record their activity across exchanges that automates asset management and provides alarms for opportunities. That's a good thing, right? And lastly, the Orion protocol also provides a marketplace for decentralized applications. So for partnerships, Orion has the following. So obviously many big names across the crypto space, including Binance Smart Chain, Elrond, Holochain, Avalanche, Cardano, Huobi, Cody, Chainlink, KuCoin, etc. Now, in order to use the Orion terminal, you would need to, number one, connect an approved wallet, which currently includes, there's Metamask, Fortmatic, Coinbase, as well as a couple of others. You need to deposit either BNB or ETH for trading. Now note, you will also need ORN, ORN, the native token for the Orion network, to be used for fees. So technically you need those three. Now currently you can pick up ORN, I was looking earlier, through Trust Wallet by trading BNB. That's one way to do it. Now, Orion is not proof of stake, but rather delegated proof of broker. So this is a little bit different concept of doing this, but it's somewhat similar to some other ways. So let me explain it. So Orion has a network of brokers that are running Orion broker software across multiple exchanges that allows their computers to automatically execute trades. Now, brokers are chosen based on how much ORN they're holding. Non-broker stakes stake ORN to vote on brokers. Brokers that offer attractive rates increase their odds of being chosen as a broker. So in order to qualify, you would need to hold 10,000 USD worth of ORN. And now on the website, you can actually sign up to be notified when staking goes live. So that's sort of how that whole process works. So you can either be a broker or just a staker, okay? Now, Orion has 18 revenue streams, including the following. So if you look at this whole chart, these are all the different ways to make money on this one. So a lot of good things going for Orion. Now, Q2 will bring the integration with Avalanche and Elrond, as currently they're only integrated with Ethereum and the Binance Smart Chain. So, let's talk token. So, ORN is the native utility token of the Orion protocol, and it is an Ethereum 20 token, meaning it runs on Ethereum. So, like I said, we kind of have, these two different smart chains, though, that are in here. We're adding a couple more, so just keep an eye on things. Now, as of this recording, April 5th, 2021, ORN is currently ranked number 231 with a market cap of 387 million. That's the part I like. Now, 20.9 million coins are in circulation out of 100 million coins. Now, ORN started the year at $2.16, and as of today is at $18.57, or an 8.6x. And if it followed that same growth for the remainder of the year, we would have a 33x, placing the coin roughly somewhere around $71.28, or nearly a 4x from today. Now, if we insert the chart here, you can see there is support level around $15.75 and a resistance essentially around $29. Now, looking at the MACD, downward momentum appears to have likely bottomed out April 3rd, and now we may get some upward momentum on this one. Now, we've not had a bullish crossover yet, but that could be around the corner. So this is something to watch here if you are thinking about picking up some ORN. Now, looking at the RSI, it looks right where we want it to be. It's kind of right in the middle, perfect, right in that sweet spot. So basically, it looks like this one is on the verge of trending upward, as it has been consolidating as of late. And you can see the trend lines in the chart here, that it trended up, it trended down, it's sort of consolidated. I think this one could be ready for a bounce, is sort of what I'm seeing here. So for a little news on Orion, CoinMarketCal.com has multiple updates that should occur by June, July, including launches, plugins, and integrations. So you can see here in this image that there's quite a lot going on with this one. So, could Orion maintain the same rate of growth? Yes, I think it could. They got a lot going on. There's a whole lot of news on this project, right? The longer this project's around, probably the better it'll get in terms of combining all of these exchanges. I really like that. Now, market cap is also so low at 387 million that there's a lot of room to make some gains at this one, right? That even a 4x essentially would only place it around number 70 in the top 100. So I think there is still some pretty substantial room for growth here. I mean, 387 million? Yeah, we got a lot of room for growth on this project. So long term, this could be a very good project. Short term, in terms of this year, my price prediction is for roughly a 5 to 7x. I think it could do that from today. I mean, we're already in April, but this is a solid project all the way around. A lot of good ideas in it. Really projects like this that combine other things, that's a great thing. They're making bridges, right? They're doing something that really hasn't been done. That's great. I like where they're headed with it, right? Their head's in the right place. It's trending in the right direction. The market cap's perfect. The RSI look good. The MACD looks like it's turning around. So I think over the course of this year, I don't see why a 5 to 7x would not be possible from today. So that's my price prediction, folks. If you got any other comments on this one, feel free to leave them. In terms of staking, I didn't really get into that yet because they didn't say a whole lot on the website in terms of staking. It is a part of this project, yes. Has it fully gone live yet? It does not appear so. But that will be a huge piece of this also, that if you're holding ORN, staking down the road could be a big deal. Our total supply on this coin also, I think it was, what was it? I think it was 100 million coins, right? And so that's not a lot of coins. So bottom line here, Orion, solid project. I think it's worth looking into. Currently, if you wanted to get into this one, as I mentioned, you could definitely do it through Trust Wallet. It appears that they have relationships already with Binance, with KuCoin, amongst others. So there's a few different ways that you can do it to get into this. If you've got some other ways that you think are even better, go ahead and leave them in the comments. That'd be awesome. But for this year, I think a 5 to 7x is definitely doable. And beyond this year, it could do even more. So I really like that low market cap. You know why? Because there's room for gains. All right, so that's it, folks. That's it for our video today on Orion Protocol. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit the like button. As always, don't forget that I am also on Twitter at KIR Finance, where you'll find me tweeting and retweeting on a regular basis. And for a friendly reminder, this is Jesse with Keeping It Real Finance, the channel that always has your back and tells it like it is. And I will see you on the next one. Later.